Hello, robotics enthusiasts and tech visionaries. Welcome to a thrilling exploration of the dynamic intersection between artificial intelligence and robotics. Join me as we delve into the transformative power of AI, breathing life into the world of robotics and paving the way for a future where intelligent machines redefine the realms of possibility. Number 1. Genesis Nexus: the birth of AI-powered robots. Embark on a captivating journey with Genesis Nexus, witnessing the birth of AI-powered robots. Explore how visionary concepts and groundbreaking minds converge to create intelligent machines, laying the foundation for a remarkable era in robotics. Number 2. Neuromechanics: AI's role in robotic engineering. Fast forward to the age of neuromechanics, an era where AI takes the helm in robotic engineering. Delve into the intricate world of neural networks and algorithms, witnessing how AI becomes the driving force behind the creation of intelligent robots, revolutionizing the field of robotics and automation. Number 3. Interface synthesis: AI-infused robotic interaction. Navigate through interface synthesis, where AI enhances robotic interaction. Witness how AI systems comprehend and adapt to human behavior, forging a closer, more collaborative relationship between humans and robots, transforming the way we interact with intelligent machines. Number 4. HealthBots: Robotics revolutionizing healthcare. Explore the transformative role of HealthBots, robots revolutionizing healthcare. Witness how AI in robotics is personalizing patient care, assisting in surgeries, and even handling mundane tasks, showcasing its potential to elevate the quality of healthcare in a digital age. Number 5. Automatrix: AI in robotic automation. Dive into the realm of Automatrix, where AI powers robotic automation. Witness the ascent of intelligent robots reshaping industries, boosting efficiency, and carving new landscapes of productivity and innovation in manufacturing, logistics, and beyond. Number 6. Enterprise Cyborgs: AI-enhanced business operations. Navigate through the profound integration of enterprise cyborgs, robots optimizing business operations. Explore how AI in robotics boosts efficiency, propels innovation, and fundamentally reshapes the way we conduct digital business across diverse sectors. Number 7. Ethical robotics: responsible AI integration. Explore the delicate balance of ethical robotics, championing responsible AI integration. Witness ongoing efforts to ensure AI technologies in robotics are deployed ethically, addressing concerns of bias, privacy, and promoting responsible AI practices in the evolving landscape of intelligent machines. Number 8. Creative Bots: AI's impact on artistic expression. Delve into the realm of creative bots, where AI challenges conventional thinking in artistic expression. Witness how robots, infused with AI capabilities, contribute to fields like art, pushing the boundaries of human creativity and collaboration between artists and machines. Number 9. Space Mesh: AI in extraterrestrial exploration. Embark on a cosmic journey with Space Mesh, robots playing a pivotal role in extraterrestrial exploration. Witness how AI in robotics contributes to mission planning, autonomous spacecraft, and data analysis, propelling humanity's quest for knowledge beyond the confines of our planet. Number 10. Tomorrow's robotic frontiers. Conclude our exploration by glimpsing into the future frontiers of AI in robotics. Witness the boundless possibilities and potential breakthroughs, from advanced AI-robot partnerships to the next level of collaborative harmony between humans and intelligent machines. As we wrap up AI in robotics, shaping tomorrow's intelligent machines, the synergy between AI and robotics stands as a testament to human ingenuity, innovation, and the transformative power of intelligent machines. If you found this exploration captivating, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of AI and robotics. Until our next venture into the realms of future technology, may AI-powered robots continue to captivate, enhance, and inspire.